Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Chyna and welcome back to another video. Today we are back. If you're new, welcome you guys. It's been so long that I've done an intro that I kind of forgot, but if you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. So here we do lot content and lifestyle, a little bit of everything. Today's video I'm going to be talking about my Locs, you guys. So it's my Locs 6 years anniversary. Yes, you guys. Let me see, today is actually, let me see, what's today? Today's the 16th. So my Loc anniversary was on the 7th, so it's been like about a week or two. I actually did a live that day. I didn't plan it, but it just happened to be that exact day that I did the live was when my 6-year anniversary was. So yeah, you guys, so my Locs are 6 years, you guys, and I can't believe it. But yeah, you guys, my babies are six years old. I can't believe it. It's so weird. It's so weird. Like 6 years is wild. You guys, 6 years is wild. But it's like, but then again, you guys, time is going by so fast. Like I remember when I first started. I'm going to actually post some pictures. I think at the end I'm gonna post like a picture of each year, like, you know, when I first started and where my hair is now. Well, like a video or something of how my hair is now. So make sure you guys watch the whole video. But yeah, you guys, I started my Locs in October 2017. Yeah, 2017, I believe, you guys. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys how they look. This is how long my Locs are. They're kind of like mid lower back, like my lower back. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. I probably should have worn like another color, but hopefully you guys can still see. They have grown. This is my hair at 6 years. Like so any update with my hair, besides the same things, you guys, I have the same routine that I always do. Moisturize them with my rose water and then my naturally defined oil, my aloe vera oil every couple of days or so, and then I retwist about once a month, 3 to 6 weeks. It depends on how long I want to go. So like last month it was like 4 weeks, I think, that passed by, and then I washed them and then retwist them. But they're doing pretty good. I haven't seen anything besides the ones that, because I have one of them in the back that I am experiencing thinning. Let me see if I can find it. I'm experiencing thinning, and that one I know exactly why. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this one right here. You guys see how like right here is skinnier than the other. It's not a thick lock, because the ones in the backs and the ones in the front, they're not as big. Oh, I'm sorry. They're not as big as the ones in the front, in the middle and stuff like that. So I know this one was gonna be a big problem since not I first started them, but like after a few years I could tell that, you know, the middle part was already thinning out. I'm gonna just, for now, I'm just gonna keep it on. It's not too bad. It's not too bad where, like, you know, it's alarming, but I know at some point I'm gonna either cut it and just reattach it, or I'm gonna find a way to like fix it or something, or just cut it, because it's all in the back so you can't really see it anyways. But yeah, this is the only one I believe that's been giving me a problem. And then this one also, this one, let me see, you guys see how it's like dangling? Let me see how it's like, it's dangling. Actually, this pisses me off, you guys. So I'm probably just gonna cut it off, because I feel like it'll look better without this part anyways. So I'm probably just gonna remove it because it's just weird looking. But besides that, all my other locks, they're doing pretty good. Lint, I don't see any lint. I'm not having any lint problems. You guys know that I just dyed them like about 3 months ago, 2 to 3 months ago, you guys. I dyed them. So I'm black. I'm back to black. I can't wait to see, like, how 7 years is gonna be, how 10 years is gonna be. And I don't know what the plan is, if I'm gonna cut them eventually. I don't want to. I'm not planning on to. So we just gonna see how, how it is, how my hair, how I feel towards them, because right now I still love them. They're still the best decision ever, because yeah, like, can you guys imagine me without my locks? Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Yeah, no, I can't imagine me without them, because like, I feel like now it's like a part of me, like, these are my babies. Like, also, you guys, some things that I've learned during these years, I wanted to do a little part where I was talking about, like, a little segment where I talk about, all the things that I've learned during my years of locks, of going through this journey. Is number one, not to compare. I remember I used to want my hair to look a certain way. I wanted her to, I said her is my locks. I wanted my locks to look like somebody else's, like, so specifically like somebody else's. But honestly, your hair is never, your locks are never going to look exactly like somebody else's locks. Maybe, but not like 100%. Like, if you guys have the same hair texture, if you guys have the same, parts and all that stuff, the same, then it might look very similar. But I'm not gonna say like it'll be like 100%, because every hair is different, every lock is different. Did I know that this is exactly how my hair was gonna turn out? No, I didn't know how my locks was gonna turn out. I just did it. You guys see how, like, I have like different length, like I have layers to my locks. Like, they're not all the same size. I mean, well, yeah, they're not all the same size either, or the same length. They are pretty much the same size, but depending on where you are in my head, they will appear a little thinner than the rest. Like, for example, this one is like more on like the thinner side than, like, for example, this one. You guys see that? This one is, is thicker. It's thicker. And you see how this one in the front is a little bit more skinnier. So I have a lot of those, especially in the back of my hair and in the front. But besides that, don't compare. I've learned patience. I've learned to just be patient, because you guys, you see how, like, when I first started, I wasn't really too worried about, like, oh, my hair needs to hurry up and lock. I just enjoyed the journey. And look, we're already here. We're already 6 years in. It's like, where have the time went? I don't know, you guys. Besides being patient, I would also say some other thing that I learned was just loving myself. Because I mean, I feel like I've always loved myself, but I feel like with my locks, like, especially in the starter phase, I had to really just be like, listen, girl, you're still pretty. Yes, I have this little small locks in my hair, but I'm still pretty. I had to like hype myself up and stuff like that. And it's like, now it's, just seeing how my locks has transformed. It's like, it's beautiful. Like, like, it's just beautiful that, especially that I grown them. Like, I started, me and my sister started them, and I've been taking care of my hair. Like, I'm very proud to say that, this is a product of me, like, I did this. Like, I've been taking care of my hair since I started my locks, you guys. Like, I did this. So it's like, it makes me very proud that I did this, and I'm growing my own hair. It's beautiful and stuff like that. So besides that, yeah, just love yourself, and love the whole process. Every phase of your lock process, love it, because it's a process. And once you're out of that phase, you're not gonna get it back, you know, or unless you just start over. You're not, you know, so you might as well just enjoy the stage that it's in right now. So alright, you guys, I'm done. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you have your post notification bell on if you haven't, and make sure you guys be watching my vlogs. My vlogs be lit. Like, y'all don't be watching my vlogs, but my vlogs be lit. Anyways, you guys, I know you guys are, you know, y'all want more Locs videos, but I gotta, like, you know, started to like change it up a little bit, because, you know, I can't do Locs every day, you know. So make sure you guys check out my vlogs. The last vlog I had was my bachelorette week, and it was very fun. The next one I'm gonna have is my husband's, me and him, our honeymoon slash his birthday, because it was the same weekend, so I kind of had that trip, you know, as our honeymoon slash his birthday weekend. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be coming up, so make sure you guys watch that video and continue to support your girl. You guys been showing out, and I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys get your spray, your aloe vera spray, and also your oil to keep your hair moisturized and healthy and beautiful for the winter, because the winter is coming. I mean, we're in fall right now, but winter is coming. Anyways, guys, I'm talking too much. Bye. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la la. It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la. It's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la. So we think.
This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. The cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, wait until you get jabba. Let me. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the Kelton, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon.